Hello everyone, welcome to the 26th session of Business Statistics 2. In this session, we'll be discussing about the calculation of regression coefficient and equation. From the given data, you should obtain the two regression equation like the previous illustrations and estimate the blood pressure when the age of person is 50 years and determine the value of correlation coefficient based on the regression coefficients. So you are given two variables here. One is the age and the other one is blood pressure. That is, let us assume age as X and the blood pressure of the person as Y. So based on this table, you should calculate the required values which is necessary to uh, calculate the regression equation in the formula. So let us look into the table. So here, as it is the individual series, again dx, dx square and dy square, dx, dy. These are the required values to calculate the regression coefficient. So as I already said, the x count refers to the value of n. So you should count the value of x and n will be 12 here. And the second one, that is dx is obtained by assuming the mean of x as 55 here. So 55 is the assumed mean. So 56 is the value of x. So 56 minus 55, that is 1. So 42 minus 55, that amounts to minus 13. So in this way, when we calculate all the values of dx, we will obtain sigma dx here. Okay. In the same way, dx square has to be calculated. That is 1 square, that is obviously 1. 13 square, that is 169. So in this way, we will be calculating the dx square of each value and then we will be obtaining sigma dx square, that is 1636. So the part of x calculation is completed. Now coming to the y, again number of observations of y is 12 here, and the second one, that is dy value. For the calculation of dy, the assumed mean of y is considered as 150 here. So 147, that is the value of y, right? So 147 minus 150, that amounts to minus 3. So in the same way, 125 minus 150 minus 25. So the same calculation has to be continued for the whole column and we should obtain sigma dy, that is minus 116. Be careful about the plus and minus signs here. The next part of calculation, that is dy square, squaring the values of dy and obtaining dy square, that is sigma dy square. And the last part, that is multiplying dx and the dy. So dx is multiplied with the value of dy to obtain dx dy and thereby obtaining sigma dx dy. So 1 into minus 3, that is minus 3, minus 13 into minus 25, that is 325. So in this way, all the dx values are multiplied with the corresponding dy values of the same row and dx dy is obtained. Now let us go to the calculation of regression equation of x on y. So the first step of calculation is the calculation of arithmetic mean of both x and y variable. So as we all know, based on the previous problems also, that is x bar is equal to a plus sigma dx divided by n. When we substitute the values into this equation, we will obtain the arithmetic mean, that is x bar is equal to 52.3. So in the same way, y bar has to be obtained and y bar is equal to 140.33. So the first step is completed now. Now we should be calculating the value of regression coefficient of x on y, that is bxy is equal to n into sigma dx dy minus sigma dx into sigma dy divided by n into sigma f dy square minus sigma dy whole square. When we substitute all the required values in the formula and simplify that, the bxy value will be 0.71. So this is the value of regression coefficient x on y. So when we substitute bxy, x bar and y bar values into the equation, the equation will be as follows, that is x is equal to 0.71 y minus 47.3. Now the regression equation on y on x, that is we have already obtained y bar and x bar. Now we should directly go to the calculation of byx. So byx is equal to, the numerator part is always the same for bxy and byx, divided by n into sigma f dx square minus sigma f dx whole square. So when we substitute the values into this formula, we will obtain byx coefficient, and here byx coefficient is equal to 1.14. So when we substitute the values of byx value and also y bar and x bar values, the coefficient, the equation of y on x is obtained, that is y is equal to 0.14 x plus 80.67. So this is the regression equation y on x. So the first part is completed now, and the second question that we need to answer, that is the estimation of blood pressure. So blood pressure is assumed as y here when the age of the person is 50 years. So value of x is given and y has to be calculated, that is we should apply y on x equation. Okay, so as we have to find the value of y, y on x equation has to be used. So y on x equation here is 1.14 x plus 80.67. So when we substitute the age of a person, that is x value is 50, then the y value will be 137.67. So this is the blood pressure of the person who is aged 50 years. Okay, so this is the second part of the problem, and the last one, that is the calculation of coefficient of correlation based on the regression coefficient. So as we all know, r is equal to root of bxy into byx. So when we substitute the value of bxy and byx into this formula, we will obtain the correlation coefficient, that is r is equal to 0.89. So r is equal to 0.89. Based on this, we can infer that there is a positive relationship, high positive correlation between blood pressure of a person and the age of the person. Higher the age, higher will be the blood pressure, and lower the age, lower or the minimum will be the blood pressure. So this will be the analysis based on the correlation value. Thank you.